Now this is fasting with a focus. Watch carefully.
Fasting is not missing a meal. You can hate this list. Fasting is not dieting. Write this down. You need to write this down so you can remember this one. Fasting demands replacing reading of the word and prayer with your meals. When you're on a fast, it doesn't mean you just stop eating and then you can do anything else. It means that you spend time with God every opportunity you have. When I'd be on a fast and I was working for different companies, including Mara Lumber Company, I worked for City Meat, other places, I used to be on fast. When my lunchtime came, I head to the beach on my bicycle and sit on the sand with my Bible. Everybody eating their fried chicken on the beach, reading the Word of God. That's how I fasted. Fasting means you replace your meals with the Word of God.